Good afternoon na pala, 12 to 12:30, kasama niyo naman po ako. Ito po si Kuya Nick at ito ang Money Matters. Alright, Money Matters, no? With Kuya Nick, dito lang sa Kuya Prof TV. Tagal-tagal tayo hindi nakapagkita-kita. Pero nandito na po tayo ulit ngayon, ano? At ngayon, ang i-discuss natin ngayon sa Money Matters is how to earn being an FWD affiliate, no? As you all know, I'm a financial planner from FWD Life Insurance. Fastest rising po, fastest growing company ng insurance, sa insurance industry. At ito po ay una in the industry, may affiliate program. Ano po ba ito? Pag narinig po natin yung affiliate, ito po yung nagre-refer tayo. Common naman po yan sa lahat ng sales, no? Lalo po sa insurance industry, and I'm very fortunate, magse-celebrate na po ako ng 7th year in this industry. Anyway, itong FWD po, naggumawa sila ng affiliate, no? Parang affiliate marketer ka. Pwedeng client na kita and gusto nyong sumali, click the link below, nandyan po, at ituturo ko po ngayon yan, no? Smart Start your 2021 with FWD affiliate, no? How does it work po ba? Yan, tingnan po natin how does it work. So, titingnan po natin, meron po kasing mga points yan, nakikita nyo dyan, no? Recruited affiliates leads, buy set for tomorrow. Yan, yung mga products po ng FWD. I-discuss din po natin yan throughout this show po, no? So, yan, makikita natin how it works, paano tayo mag-earn ng points, no? So, how affiliate earns FWD points from direct recruited affiliate. O, unang-una, ida-download nyo po muna. Later on, tuturo rin natin yan. Makikita natin dyan yung FWD Affiliate PH. Pero before that, yung point system, no? For every converted lead, ibig sabihin, meron po kayong lead na nag-click ng link nyo, no? Pag-click po yun, tapos nag-register po siya para tawagan ko po as their financial planner, mako-convert na po yun ng 1,000 points, no? So, 1,500 points naman for every converted lead of the invited affiliate. Yan. Pagka kumuha, yun po yung conversion. Pag kumuha po. Online po kasi meron shop ang FWD na fwdshop.com wherein yung life insurance nandun na rin po. Ito naman po, yung direct recruited affiliate. Yan, napakaganda po niyan dahil just by sharing content, yan. We share contents for every sharing na activity, 1 point po yan. Doon po sa app, meron po yan. Later on, makikita nyo rin yung iba't ibang mga pwedeng i-share, no? About financial planning, mga tips po in life, no? Lalo ngayon, pandemic, no? Gone are the days po na takot na ang tao sa insurance. Totoo po yan, ha? Kasi ngayon din pong last year and this January alone po, napakarami pong tumatawag sa akin. Nagugulat din ako na gusto nilang kumuha ng insurance. Dati hindi po nangyayari yan. Simply because dahil nakikita na ng tao yung need. No? And open na po sila na kumausap sa isang financial planner tulad po ni Kuya Nick. No? So ano pa po? For every sales lead, mag-sign up pa lang po 50 points, no? Mamaya later on i-discuss ko rin ano ba yung mga points na yan, paano mako-convert yan, no? 400 points naman converted via sale digital. Digital po, meron pong pwedeng kumuha yan pong Kando is 1,799 pesos lang po yan for 1 year. Covered na po ng 200,000 ang isang kliyente na mag-purchase niyan online. Online po, meron din pong 6,000 points for every sold policy. Ito po yung mga regular products natin. For example po, yung Set for Health, Set for Life, na after ko pong kausapin, the way I do it po kasi, hindi po yung normal na norm na, sad to say, marami pa rin pong gumagawa. Ang tawag ko po ay proposal seller. They sell the proposal. What I do po, as a professional financial planner and doing this full-time since 2014, ang ginagawa ko po, kinakausap ko po muna yung tao. Kasi bawat tao po, iba-iba ang needs, iba-iba ang status sa buhay, may anak, may single. And after that, saka po natin binibigyan ng financial solution. It's just like going to a doctor, pag sinabi po na masakit yung ulo, papasitiskan pa yan, or titingnan at tatanungin, you dig deeper bakit yun ang kailangan. No? Hindi po ako yung sa pharmacy po kasi pag sinabi masakit ulo, bigyan ka lang paracetamol or gano'n. No? Hindi po. Mas in-depth po. And yun yung mas maganda na gawin natin. And that's the professional way of doing it. Next natin, pag naka-earn ka na ng points, yan. Ito yung rewards natin for affiliates, no? Ano-ano ba yan? Ang tawag po dun sa mga na-earn yung points, FWD points, which you can convert for every 1,000 points, it's 100 pesos. So, Dexo. E-certificate, EGC po yan. So, i-email lang din po sa inyo yan, i-scan yung QR code and all. But, meron pa po. So, 3,300 points na Sodexo, 6,000 points. 600 pesos na Sodexo GC. So, earn more FWD points to get more Sodexo GC to use with over 10,000 merchants. Yung Sodexo po, nagagamit. Hindi na po natin malagay lahat ng 10,000. Pero yan po, nandyan po sa screen nyo, SM, Power Mac, Digital Walker, AirAsia, SM Department Store, madami po, Decathlon, Tobies, lahat po yan. Pwede nating gamitin yung ating gift certificate from Sodexo. We'll be back po for a short break, and when we come back, we'll discuss in depth po how you can earn more points by being an FWD affiliate.
Hello, magandang umaga sa lahat. Nandito po muli si Kuya Prof para ibalita sa inyo na lumabas na po yung bago kong libro. Tatlo po ito, yung Kuya Prof Book Series. Ang una po ay ang Yehey, Naka-Perfect Tayo. Ito po yung pangalawa, ang Masayang Mundo ni na Amigo at Topito. At isa pa, ang ating Naku po, Nawawala si Lito. Inanyayahan ko ang lahat na bumili ng libro at matuto sa pagbabasa. Dahil sa pagbabasa, sigurado akong tataas ang iyong marka. So mga kids, inaanyayahan ko kayong lahat na bilhin at kumuha ng inyong kopya ng aking Kuya Prof Book Series. Maraming salamat. Kuya Prof! Kuya Prof!
Yan po yung mga programs ng Kuya Prof TV. And now we're back to Money Matters, no? Going back doon sa mga reward opportunities and all. Ano bang pwede nating gawin, no? Reward opportunities. By joining FWD affiliate, you get to earn FWD points, ability to help others. Bakit? Syempre, sinesecure natin yung future nila. And we help them save and invest through mutual funds, no? We are partners with Security Bank and BPI, so sila yung nag-handle ng stock market investment na pinapasok natin with FWD, no? So, ang pataas na po ngayon, very exciting times to enter into the stock market world, no? And habang protected ka with FWD, no? Ano pa? Syempre, pag nag-earn ka na ng points, mawili ka na. You can explore your career here in FWD and join as a financial planner, no? I started here 2014, sabi ko nga, with a mindset of full-time. Pero yung full-time ako, nasa 2015 po yan, a year and a half after. I resigned from work sa Letran, ang mahal kong alma mater, no? When I resigned, I explored the career, and since then, I was able to provide for my family. I was able to travel around the world kasi may mga trip incentives, yun yung mga exciting. Na as an affiliate, wala po muna yan. Kasi you earn, God willing din, and you're willing to join, pwede nating explore yung opportunity. And later on, I'll post a poster wherein meron po tayong business opportunity program. Ang sineshare natin sa social media, sad to say there's a lot of negativity na around. Siguro it's time, maybe a day or two, you share naman with a purpose, no? Ano-ano ba yan? O, tingnan natin. And makikita nyo yan dun sa affiliate app nyo, yung mga content, no? So, meron yan for millennials, for family, no? Yun, share nyo yung content na yan and inspire people to move into action then to get a protection for themselves, no? So, ano ba yung target markets natin yan, no? Working moms, millennials, OFWs, entrepreneurs, professionals, all walks of life, pwede po. Basta po may cellphone, may internet, you can be an FWD affiliate. Alright? So, ano pa ba ang pwede nating ma-share sa ano? O yan, have you downloaded affiliate yet? Available po yan sa App Store and Google Play. Just search FWD Affiliate PH kasi meron po kami sa Indonesia, sa Malaysia. Baka po yun yung ma-click nyo. So, PH po, FWD Affiliate PH. First in the industry dito sa Philippines na parang regularizing yun pong ating system. Yung system na ginagawa natin of referral. Tapos, may point system na. So, yun, standardization din po yan. So, yeah, you're an FWD Elite Affiliate, share, no? Ma-share natin yan. And while I protect them through the financial solutions, you can earn points, no? By sharing din. Actually, sharing the content pa lang, you can earn points po. No? So, ganyan po yung look ng ating FWD app, FWD Affiliate PH app. No? So, download nyo lang po ngayon yan. And meron po kayo dyan below na pwede nyong ma-click na link para po maging FWD affiliate kayo. For more questions din po, you can comment din po. And yung at Nick Nepo Financials, i-like nyo na rin po. You can message me there for more information on that. Very exciting times po today na na-share ko po sa inyo yan. A very short deck on how to be an FWD affiliate. But more than that, ang dami-daming tanong din, no? May nag-PM nga din sa akin ngayon. Paano ko sisimulan, no? Wala akong alam sa product ni FWD or ng insurance. Hindi ako financial planner. And that's the point. For a certain period din naman po, di ba? You can redeem yung mga points via app, receive GC via email din, no? So, anyway, perfect time po ito kasi daming naghahanap ng insurance and maraming may need. Kung hindi nyo po alam i-approach, let me be the one po na mag-discuss sa kanila thoroughly. No? I can walk them through a financial planning session. Ngayon po, via online na lang lahat. I'm glad na I belong to FWD because ready po sila sa digitization. No? Lahat naman po ngayon, lagi ko po sinasabi, walang pangit na insurance company. But yung bilis ni FWD when it comes to digitization, napakaganda po. And the first mover in the industry of doing this, rewarding people na nagre-refer. Oo, wala naman pong nakakahiya siguro na i-refer natin ang isang tao, lalo pag alam natin need nila, no? Ang mga target market po natin dyan is actually kahit may existing policies na sila from other companies. I myself po, meron po ako. Sa previous company po namin, 2014, wala pa po FWD dito. So I'm on another company. I'm proud to say na meron po ako rin sa ibang company. But, complementing it, i-complement lang naman po natin. Kasi yung lifestyle po natin nagbabago. And yung life situation natin nagbabago, pati yung health natin. So, going back po, the pandemic really strikes a lot of us, no? Badly when it comes to finances. But more than that, yung protection side natin, we should be ready. We should be ready for all yung hospitalization, pag nag-mutate yan sa critical illness, and even death. And that's a financial solution holistically that I do with my client. May training daw ba? Yes, there is a training program for this. Training program for affiliates. I conduct it myself then. Pwedeng one-on-one or group sessions tayo. Right now, dumadami na yung affiliates ko personally. And then, as an affiliate, you can recruit also. You can share it with your friends. Hindi naman recruit. You can share it with your friends. Pwede mo silang maging affiliate din. No? So, and you can earn points pagka meron din silang mga nare-refer. No? And manganganak lang ng manganganak and parang I remember yung movie na Pay It Forward. You pay forward the goodness at yung, kumbaga, sa Bible naman, you share the good news to all, no? The good thing about life insurance, no? My dreams for my family and my goals for them natupad ng insurance industry and financial planning industry. The genuine financial planners, yan po yung genuine financial solutions, may mga financial planners that I'm training to advocate this very, very beautiful opportunity for all Filipinos. It's under DC Alliance and SGA, no, na agency. If you're afraid to be in this business, naku, wag po. I will personally make sure your success at hindi nyo na makommit the same mistakes that I have been committing nung nag-i-startup ako. Kumbaga, ako po dyan yung pinaka-pogi, magiging companion nyo or Sherpa, ika nga, on your startup business. And I will guide you throughout this career to be successful and also to earn na you're helping people and you're earning. Yan yung maganda, no? Anyway, thank you very much for watching this episode of Money Matters with Kuya Nick. I hope to see you all next week, 12 to 12:30. Continue watching kahit po sa replay. Again, this is Nick Nepomuceno and this is Money Matters. See you next week.
Kuya Prof. Si Kuya Prof.